Welcome to the set of the upcoming murder mystery. This was the dining room. I love that photo, by the way. And I had to reclaim it for my wife. Why? Well, because it was a little bit in disrepair. So, if you can see behind me, I cleared just about everything out with the exception of this table and that one over there. Now, if you see that glowing, whoa. Yeah, that glowing right over there, that is the game. The game is Secrets of Emerald Hill. And it is a murder mystery that takes place in the 80s with the uber rich in Emerald Hill. Now, I can't spoil all the details for you, but I plan to actually record this session because the last escape room that we had 3.5 years ago was that epic that I don't want anyone to miss a moment, especially in reliving it, especially for those not able to make it. And I've got a little bit of an appetizer up here, a little bit of money on the side there, some of our festivities, which this will actually consist of 3 courses. There will be a set of starters, there will be a main course, and there will be dessert. And I'm sure dessert will be oh so delicious. But I have to do a little bit more staging in this room. The picture is great, but I got to kind of get everything else together. But this will be a nice, intimate setting, and I'm sure there will be some unforgettable moments, and I'm looking forward to it. And I hope all of my guests are as well. All right, so stay tuned. More to come. All right, bye.